I knew he was up to something.
Whoa, the link. Oh, you got him so excited he exploded.
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today I'm with the Cleb. How are you today, sir?
I believe I can fly.
Looks like you can fly. Looks like you can't fly. Cleb, you know where we're going to today?
Taco Bell.
We're going to a place called Flinders Street Cafe. It's a coffee house grinder panini spot. Sometimes I just feel like a sandwich. You know, we get the burgers, we get the tacos, the burritos, the bullshit. Let's go get an honest sandwich for once.
Ice cream sandwich, right? Let's go.
Well, that's one of those new Teslas. God, that thing looks good, doesn't it?
I saw a racing to the white.
I didn't even try. Look at all this overcast, man. It's kind of crazy. The weather's weird out here in Southern California. I mean, to be fair though, this is that offshore gloom shit that comes through, so it'll clear up in a little while. Yeah, there you go. Sun's starting to come out now. Oh, that's a loud one. Where is he taking us? Of course he's taking us. There's a Taco Bell in the parking lot. Whoa. I don't know why you did that.
Well, maybe it worked.
Did you get what you needed?
I got the goods.
What was that noise, man?
You heard that?
Yeah. Is that person okay?
What?
Yeah, there was a crazy sound over there.
Like a crash?
Yeah.
Think so.
No, I didn't hear it.
Ooh, look at this. Make everyone in the comment section mad.
You legitimately are ruining that bush.
It's fine, alright? Let's go get gas really quick, actually.
We just met up at a gas station. Why didn't you get gas there?
Did you get gas?
You told me not to.
Yeah, because I wanted to get gas at a different gas station.
You don't like that place anymore.
Gas tastes better.
12 seconds later.
Do it. Gas.
What do we got, 87?
Oh yeah.
Good man. Well, I'm filling this beast up. I'm going to take this opportunity to remind all you guys that I do have a second channel. If you guys are into dirt bikes and some of that nonsense, I do encourage you to go over there and check that out. Link in the video description.
Don't worry, Nancy, I got the door for you.
Oh, Hillshire. I assume Hillshire Farms.
You're not saying no meat and cheese? Man?
Doesn't that look good though?
No, we don't need that.
You don't have to buy mine. Why are you being all generous today?
You're saying I'm usually stingy? Is that what you're saying?
I'm not saying, you're usually pretty cheap though. I wouldn't say stingy, but you're cheap. You're definitely cheap.
Is cheap and stingy the same thing?
He's one of the cheapest people I know. He's pretty cheap.
Jim, how you doing, buddy?
It's 2-cycle engine oil for your R1.
If I like it, I'll turn it into a 2-cycle engine.
I think you're absolutely 100% correct.
Come on, me.
What's going on, man? Where are you guys going?
We're going to Wisconsin.
Wisconsin?
Hell yeah.
Pick one.
Well, I like Red Bull.
That's right.
You don't like Monster? You got that lanyard down there, man?
Oh, that one because the mouse.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome, Jim.
Are we going to enjoy these tasty beverages right here where we sit?
Or we can enjoy it right here on the flank.
I don't know what you're up to, Cleb.
I want to go find a taco.
You're up to something.
I want to go find a taco.
All right. I don't know what Cleb's up to. He's up to something. Being all like sneaky. Oh yeah.
You got some pops doing.
I knew he was up to something.
Whoa, the link.
Oh my
You got him so excited he exploded.
I knew you were up to something. What do we got?
A cheesy bean and cheese burrito and a soft taco. Oh wow, that was a gnarly plank,
I'm just here
man.
to plank.
Wow. Not soda if you're thirsty. I don't know if you like
That
soda.
looks like soda water.
It's magical.
Seriously,
I felt my
Kelsey, like,
magic
how did you know to
loving
be
it.
here? I smelled the tacos from a mile away.
I just
And I just
felt.
kind of sniffed you down, but
I just honestly felt like you guys needed Taco Bell. Oh, I got hot sauce.
Are you fired?
Mild and I got hot.
And I got
Oh,
it.
am I putting it on for you? You want it
I don't know.
hot? Just got it on your motorcycle. Oh, that's not very much. Do you want more?
That's good. You didn't bring us. How did this happen?
I drove all the way from Newport to bring you guys Taco Bell.
Can you give me a high five? Can you do one jumping jack with me? All right, here.
Thanks for the Taco Bell. That was a pleasant treat.
Of course, anytime you need any Taco Bell, I'll be there.
If you want to find out more about her, there's a link in the description of the video. I knew you were up to something. I knew it. What happened? That one's not a dud. SSR versus GSXR. Who's got it? As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today, Flinders Street Cafe. This place is established in 2014. There's not a whole lot of history about it. However, what turned me on to this place is their Yelp rating. They had over 800 reviews and nearly a perfect 5-star rating. And when I was doing the search, I was looking for sandwiches, something traditional, something a little different than we normally get on this channel. Just kind of tired of the tacos, the burritos, and burgers and all that stuff. I'm not tired of eating them, I'm just tired of showcasing them. And also, it looks like they sell spaghetti and meatballs and meat pies. When we get there, I'm probably going to order just kind of a whole bunch of everything. So it should be interesting. Delete Tinder, ride a motorcycle. It's one of Clev's keychains. If you guys are interested in that keychain, you can get it on my website, SuburbanDelinquent.com. So guys, I know my audio is not perfect with this new setup, so I do apologize, but I'm working on it, I promise. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but this video I probably sound a little bit different. I moved the mic a little further back because I was peeking it out. When I ride, I listen to music and I have headphones in, and it makes me talk kind of loud. So hopefully the new microphone placement for this video fixes that. We'll see, but I promise you I'm working on it. Stick with me.
As wicked as it may seem, as wicked as anything could be, as wicked as it may seem, as wicked as anything could be. I know that's close.
That car's seen better days, for sure. Hopefully it wasn't a motorcyclist that dude hit. Slip up, pal! Oh shit, there's a tree in the road. The bushes are trying to kill the Clev. A good bush sighting on the freeway is fairly rare. They're coming at Clev with the vengeance. Revenge is on the horizon. I just hope I don't get caught in the crossfire. Wow, that was pretty cool. Kelsey hooking us up with Taco Bell like that. I'm sure Cleb put it all together, but that was still pretty cool. If she looks familiar, it's because she was one of the girls at SCMM that was helping us at our display. See, now you put it together. I connected the dots. Cleb went. Cleb didn't have any idea where he was going, and he just assumed I was going straight. Let's go, Tacoma. What is this? No turn on red? Come on, buddy. Dude. Turn. Jesus. Whoa. I don't have any more shit to throw. Pow. Pow. You ever seen these action movies where the bikes come cruising out and they slide underneath the truck? I kind of wanted to do that. I would have done it. Would have done it. I just didn't feel like it. Look at this, front row parking and everything. We never park in front. We got lucky. Look at this.
All right, let's see.
The Flinders Street Cafe. All right, Flinders Street Cafe. We ordered so much off the menu. What did you like? What didn't you like?
I didn't like most of it, but I did like those macaroons and that cook that the guy passed me and I caught it in my mouth. That was good.
Out of all the stuff that we ordered, my favorite was the cheesesteak. I really enjoyed that. The spaghetti was eh. The meatball was okay. As far as the meat pies go, they were pretty much out of everything that I would have ordered, so I didn't get it. Did you like your meat pie?
I didn't like the meat pie. It was disgusting.
And that was a chicken curry meat pie. You didn't like it?
Tasted like some food they gave me in Saudi Arabia. It was gross.
What did you think of the spaghetti?
I didn't like the spaghetti.
What did you think of your soup?
I'm pissed. I didn't like the soup either.
I know, I really didn't care for my soup either. I don't know that I'll be back. How about you?
I'll be back right now. For the macaroons.
He's going back for the macaroons. Yeah, unfortunately, I probably won't be back to this one. But the food wasn't horrible. It just wasn't amazing. A jack of all trades, but a master of none. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you go over to Clev's channel, see what he's up to. He's always up to some interesting stuff there. If you guys aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel called Extra Delinquent. Link in the description of the video. Huge shout out to all the patrons of the channel. You guys know I love each and every one of you. You guys help keep me motivated and keep the channel moving forward. If you guys are enjoying these videos, I do encourage you to share them on your social media platforms. Also support the channel sponsors. We got Chaparral Motorsports, law offices of Henry Haddad, and Voss Helmets. Remember guys, support the companies that support us. And with that, I'll catch you guys later.